Welcome back to Animal Alphabet. Today, we're learning about animals that start with the letter J. The letter J can be used in jumping spider. Jumping spiders live in gardens, forests, and deserts. And they stay in bushes, trees, rocks, and even grass. Jumping spiders eat pollen, nectar, and insects. The letter J can also be used in jellyfish. Most jellyfish live in the ocean, but some live in calm waters, such as lakes and ponds. Jellyfish eat small fish and eggs. They will also eat plankton. The letter J can also be used in jackal. Jackals live in savannas, deserts, grasslands, bushlands, mountains, and marshes. Jackals eat young antelopes, birds, fruit, grass, and small reptiles and insects. J can also be used in jaguar. Jaguars live in forests and shrublands. Jaguars eat small animals such as rabbits, lizards, and rodents. And they will also eat fish and birds. Jaguars like water and are great swimmers. They're also great climbers. Thank you for studying with us again, and we'll see you in the next video.